Hi guys, welcome to another exciting video, and that is about MiniMax M2.7, which has been recently announced as officially open source. You can access it now for free, and the best part is that we will teach you how to access the API of this M2.7 for free using Nvidia. Okay, you can check this M2.7 and Hugging Face also. Look at, just come here, and it has 229 billion parameters. You can check that, and you can see the benchmark also, the SWE Bench Pro mark, which has 56. The performance is 56. Almost it is close to the best top models like Anthropic and GPT. And the best part, just come here, you can access it through Ulama also, and come here to their blog, that MiniMax early echoes of self-evaluation. It means that self-evaluation, it means the best part of this M2.7 is it can improve itself by its own. It doesn't need developer to train it again and again, but it will read the mistakes, failures, and then evaluate them, then decide to reject or revert or accept them. You can see that part. Let's come here, and here you can read that uh, M2.7 run entirely autonomously, executing an iterative loop, analyzing failure, plan changes, modifies code code, run evaluation, compare result, decide to keep or revert changes. And it can do it per 100 times, 100 rounds automatically. So this is the best part of this model. So now let's move to the practically access these API key and implement it and use it using VS Code editor. So to access the API, we will move to the Nvidia website, build.nvidia.com. After moving there, you need to create your account. I have already created. Whenever you are creating your account, that is easy, but one thing that it require phone number when you are creating your account. After creation, to access the free API key, you need to verify through phone number. So now here on their website, you can see these, you can access all these. Let's check MiniMax M2.7. Let's press this and come here down. You can chat with that here also, but we will access the code. So to access the API key, for that, simply at the right corner you can see view code. Press that button. After pressing that button, here we can see the base URL, model, and also the API key. Whenever you are accessing any model, so you need these things: base URL, model, and also the API key. Now let's open VS Code editor. You can access it through an agent like row code, kilo code, client, or any other one, but I will use row code. It is installed with me as an extension. Let's open that. After opening that, so here now let's set up M2.7. So to set up that part, let's move to the setting. After moving to the setting here, come here to the providers. In providers, we will come here to the first API provider. So for the API provider, just come down, and here we can access. We will just search for OpenAI compatible. OpenAI compatible. Select this option. After selecting that option, for the base URL, come to the Nvidia website, and you can see this base URL. Copy this URL. Come here back to VS Code and paste that here. Control E, Control V. Now API key. So for the API key, come here to the Nvidia website and generate API key. Look at, press this button, so it will generate API key for you. As you can see, it has generated for us. Now we will copy this API key. Copy this API key. Come here back and paste that here. After pasting, now we will select model. So for the model, come here back, and here we can access the model also. MiniMax M2.7. This is the model. Copy this also. Come here back and paste that here. Paste that and select that. Use custom one. This one. So after selecting that, now at the top you can see the save button. Press that button. So after saving this setting, go back, and here we will start now our chatting. At the end, you can see, click this, and the default model is MiniMax M2.7, that is selected. Now let's start chat with this. Hello, simply we will just send this query, hello. As you can see the response, hello, I am Ro, ready to help you with GLM project. I can see the workspace directory is empty, so this appears to be a new project. So this is the response of that. Now you can start in chatting with that whatever you want. So you can use that. So it was all about, okay, yeah, the model is MiniMax M2.7. This model is selected. So it was all about how to test and access free API key through Nvidia and use that properly. So it was all about this. If this video was helpful, please like this video and also share with your friends, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.